Hey guys, Hazen Warlick here with ABC Window Cleaning Supply. In this video, we're going to be talking about the differences in DI only versus multi-stage systems and which one is right for you. So now let's talk about DI only systems. DI only systems are great because they're cheap to get into, they're simple and easy to use, and you get very high water flow because there's not a lot of restriction. So DI only systems use DI resin to completely filter your water out. You'll be left with 0 parts per million or 0 TDS and a spot-free shine. However, for long-term usage, DI is very expensive to use. It's not great in high TDS areas, which is anything about 100 parts per million or more, which is most of us, and it's really only good for occasional work. So less than 2 hours per week at that 100 parts per million. So on the other hand, we have multi-stage systems, which incorporate carbon sediment, reverse osmosis, and DI filters. These are great because they're cheaper to use in the long run due to your RO filter saving you that money, doing most of the filtration, therefore taking some of that workload off of your DI resin to save costs. It can handle a higher amount of TDS, so it's great for hard water areas, and it can handle frequent usage, up to a commercial scale even. Some downfalls to multi-stage systems is that they are expensive to purchase up front compared to DI only, and you're going to get less water flow because of the restriction of that RO membrane. There's also a bit more of a learning curve, but pretty much anyone out there is going to be able to successfully use a multi-stage system and save a ton of money doing it. Still on the fence about whether DI only or multi-stage is right for you? We've got a solution. Just check out our calculator in the description and you can see exactly how long it will take for your system to pay off for you. Just put in your state and how many hours you want to use it per week, and you can determine it exactly with no questions asked. Thanks for watching.